Hello everyone. Last night, fans were treated a rare public sighting of Dongpang and Jessie, and the atmosphere was absolutely electric. What really stood out wasn't just that they were together, but how much their dynamic has evolved. They look incredibly happy and genuinely comfortable, showing a level of clinginess and sweetness that we haven't seen quite like this before. What's really striking about Tongpang and JC lately is that their interaction don't just feel like a normal friendship anymore. While we've seen them to be supportive in the past, the gestures we're seeing now, the constant affection and how incredibly clingy they've become, suggest something much deeper. When you compare this to a standard friendship, the level of sweetness is on entirely different level. They aren't just taking care of each other, they are openly affectionate in a way that feels very intentional. It is hard to blame fans and their friends for believing there's a real relationship here because, honestly, their actions are doing all the talking.
To base my wife. No, to base my husband.